we all know that we need to build planning into our daily routines, that it's good for us to plan ahead, and we all have goals and things to do that we really should be paying attention to use our time more wisely. So in this video, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks of how to make planning part of your daily routine. Hello, I'm Katie, and welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning classes every Sunday at noon. Tip number 1, decide when to plan. So just look at your lifestyle. When do you want to build planning into your day? Do you like to get up early? Are you an early bird and it's something that you can do first thing in the morning every day? Do you want to take your lunch break and let that be your planning time? Do you want to plan first thing when you're done with work in the afternoon? Or do you want to plan right before bed? Decide what works best within your schedule. And then the second piece to that is I suggest you find a trigger activity. So instead of scheduling a time to do your planning, I suggest that you find an activity that triggers your planning. For example, if you're a morning person and you get up and get your coffee at a certain time, get your coffee and your planner at a certain time and do your planning when you have your coffee. Or if it is during your lunch break, take that lunch break time to eat your lunch and do your planning. Or if it's first thing after work every day, when you take off your work clothes, put on your workout clothes or put on your casual clothes if you're changing clothes, or if you have dinner immediately after dinner, do your planning. Or if it's bedtime that triggers your planning, just think about an activity that you do every day and include your planning along with that trigger activity. Tip number 2, bring your planner with you. Wherever you go, make sure your planner is where you are. That means if you need a small planner that will fit in your purse and you can bring with you to work, do that. Make sure it's with you all the time. If you are going to spend your planning time near your bed, put your planner in a bag and bring that bag and make sure your planner and that bag are next to your bed every day. If you like to plan in the living room by the couch, same thing. Make sure your planner bag is packed with your planner, the supplies you need, your pens, your stickers, and put that whole bag wherever you're going to spend your time planning, because that is a roadblock to making sure you take that time to plan. If your planner and your planner supplies are all ready for you wherever you're planning, then it's more likely that you're going to take your time to sit down and do your planning. Tip number 3, create a planning checklist. So once you've decided when you're going to plan and you have your planner and your supplies ready, decide what you're planning during your planning sessions. And what I mean by that is exactly pick your 3 to 5 things, 2 to 5 things that you want to do in each of your planning sessions. For example, are you looking at your day? Are you journaling? Are you planning for social media or business? Are you meal planning? Are you planning for your kids? Make a decision what those things are that you're planning during each of those sessions and make a checklist. So, for example, my checklist would be gratitude journaling, looking at my planner for the day in the morning, and at the end of the day, filling in my notes of what happened during the day and filling in my exercise planning in meals for the day. So that's my daily checklist of things. So you can just put it right in your planner, and then whichever your sessions are, whether they're morning, afternoon, evening, just check them off. And once it becomes a habit, you won't have to have a checklist, but create yourself a checklist. And then I'm going to show you one more tip for how to make it easy during your planning sessions. So this is my current planner stack. I have 3 different main projects that I'm working on: journaling, health planning, actually 4. My daily schedule, which is in a weekly calendar, and then my social media and video projects are in the monthly. So my tip is use a bookmark. Put a bookmark on each section that you want to flip to during your planning session so you know exactly where to go. I need to go here and look at my day. I need to go here and plan out my videos. I need to go here and journal, and I need to go to this page and fill out my health, wellness, and fitness, meals, exercise, and medications for the day. That way, when I sit down to plan, I'm not trying to figure out what I need to do. I already have those sections bookmarked, and I can go straight to the place I need to write or look at. I hope this helps you make planning part of your daily routine, and to get some more resources, check out the description box for planning classes, videos, all my favorite products, and more planning tips. Hit that thumbs up button and I'll see you in the next video.